Hello and welcome to another 1-minute WordPress video tutorial. My name is Ufuk and in this tutorial today I will show you how to clone a post or page in WordPress using the duplicate post plugin. So let's get started. First of all, we need to log into our WordPress dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to Plugins, Add New. Under the Search Plugins field, type Duplicate Post. As you can see, there are several plugins available. We tested most of these plugins and recommend using the one developed by Enrico Battocci. This plugin allows users to clone posts of any type or copy them to new drafts for further editing. It has over 3 million active installations and a 5-star rating. Also, the plugin is compatible with WordPress version 5.3. To install Duplicate Post plugin, click on the Install Now button. Once installed, activate the plugin by clicking on the blue Activate button. Duplicate Post has many useful settings to customize its behavior and restrict its use to certain roles and post types. Also, you can choose which post or page elements to copy, like title, date, status, slug, excerpt and much more. In this example, I will show you how to clone a post. Navigate to Posts. Hover over the title of the post you want to clone. Click on the Clone link. This will immediately create a copy of the post and return to the list. The cloned post will be shown as a draft. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. For any questions, please use the comment field below. Thanks for watching.